Okay, we're going to take a look at the second half of the Bach two-part Invention in F, and let's do a little recap here. Everything is built on these two themes. Again, and then you have the scale. Okay, and this figure. Okay, now we're going to start at the dominant with the left hand, which is going to play the original figure and the scale at the dominant, and then he continues here. His diminished eighth note figure, okay, which is basically the same as only, see, and then we have the scale. Now instead of the tonic, it's at the second degree of the scale, and then this theme, scale. Now he uses this, he uses it in the right hand before that, and we'll get to that in a minute, but this little back and forth figure, which is an inversion of, so he uses this. Okay, that first arpeggiated figure, it's an inverted now, see? Down in sequence, down in sequence. Okay, now this figure, again, down in sequence. So you see how much he uses sequences. Again, this figure, now in the key of B flat, and back to that original back and forth figure, only starting on a D, and he's going to go down in thirds like he originally did. And then he continues an inversion of the original arpeggiated figure. The scale again. I'm sorry. Okay, now the right hand, he's going to come in after the left hand at the dominant. This is measure 13. It's going to be a canon, a measure late. So it's a canon of the theme that the left hand plays at the dominant. And then he goes into that figure, an inversion of the original arpeggio. Now he's going to play the scale, which is a canon of the what the left hand does, the same thing, a measure. So a measure later he comes in with, and when he's doing this, we have the left hand playing that canon again. So 3 times back and forth he plays that same figure. Let's continue here with the right hand at measure 18. Remember the left hand doing that down here? No. The original figure inverted. Then he goes to this back and forth figure, the variation. Down in sequence. Down again in sequence. Now the original arpeggiated figure in inversion. Down in sequence. Now that original back and forth figure, only in starting on D, which anticipates the left hand's going to come in the next measure and do that an octave down. Down in thirds, okay. That original arpeggiated figure, now the scale. The scale. both hands very slowly. You see how they work together. Okay, so you see the canon in the right hand. Canon in the right hand. Now the left hand's going to play that scale. Okay. See, both hands are going to go down in sequence. Right hand plays that figure, left hand's going to play that arpeggio. See? So both down in sequence. So we have that sequence going 3 times, going down now. The hands change roles here. The left hand's going to play that busy back and forth figure, and the right hand's going to play this inverted arpeggio figure. See, down in sequence. Okay, now they're going to reverse roles again. Only with the right hand playing the original figure, starting at D instead of like at A where it originally did, and the left hand plays the arpeggio. Now both are going to play this back and forth figure. They both go down a third in sequence. Now the left hand continues, but the right hand's going to play an inverted arpeggio figure again. So now the right hand plays the scale and the left hand plays the inverted arpeggio figure. Now both hands are going to play the scale figure. And what happens is the right hand follows the left hand half a beat late. See how that works? Left hand plays the scale figure again, right here. Okay, and that's the end of the piece. That's the second half of the 2-part Invention in F. If you like to support these videos, you can pay any amount to the link below, and also contact me for live online lessons, theory lessons, piano lessons, and thanks a lot for watching. Have a great day.